Entry doors Tampa Florida homeowners choose can redefine curb appeal, security, and efficiency in one upgrade. From entry doors Tampa Florida to new front doors in surrounding neighborhoods, professionally installed residential entry doors Tampa properties need are built to handle heat, storms, moisture, and daily use. Whether the goal is a bold statement entrance, a secure family entry, or an energy-saving improvement, the best entry doors Tampa residents select bring together style, durability, and long-term value. Front door installation Tampa projects are popular in established and growing neighborhoods because an outdated entrance can make the whole exterior feel tired. Front entry door installers Tampa homeowners trust provide precise measuring, careful fitting, and clean finishing for single front doors, double entry doors, decorative glass entry doors, and modern entry doors. In South Tampa, front door installation South Tampa services are especially in demand for homes seeking a polished, upscale exterior with better insulation and stronger locking systems. Exterior door replacement Tampa services are essential when an older door shows warping, water damage, air leaks, or weakened hardware. Exterior door replacement Tampa Heights homes often require combines appearance upgrades with practical performance, especially for older structures with aging frames. Door replacement Town and Country Tampa residents' schedule frequently includes replacing the slab, threshold, weather stripping, and door frame for a complete exterior improvement that boosts both comfort and protection. Custom entry doors Tampa options give homeowners a chance to match architecture, personal taste, and security needs without compromise. From custom entry doors West Tampa properties to custom front doors Wesley Chapel residences, tailored designs are ideal for unique openings, elevated curb appeal, and standout finishes. A trusted entry door company Tampa homeowners call can customize height, width, sidelights, hardware, glass details, and stain or paint colors to create one cohesive front elevation. Steel entry doors Tampa buyers often prefer deliver excellent strength, low maintenance, and dependable security for busy households. Secure entry doors Tampa installations are a strong fit for families prioritizing reinforced construction, improved locks, and weather resistance. In neighborhoods like secure entry doors Ybor City searches commonly focus on dependable products that hold up to urban wear, changing weather, and daily traffic while still looking sharp from the street. Fiberglass entry doors Tampa homes benefit from are a leading choice for durability and energy savings in Florida conditions. Fiberglass front doors Brandon, Florida homeowners install are valued for resisting dents, rust, swelling, and cracking while mimicking the look of real wood. Energy-efficient entry doors Tampa residents want often include insulated fiberglass cores, tight weather seals, and impact-rated glass packages to help reduce drafts and maintain indoor comfort during hot Tampa, Florida seasons. Wood entry doors Tampa properties add timeless beauty and warmth, especially for traditional homes, luxury homes, and statement entrances. Wood entry doors Riverview, Florida homeowners request remain popular for rich grain patterns, premium craftsmanship, and classic curb appeal that enhances resale value. When maintained properly, wood can serve as a striking focal point, especially for custom homes in upscale communities seeking luxury entry doors Clearwater, Florida style with authentic character. Hurricane impact entry doors Tampa homes need are one of the smartest upgrades for storm-prone coastal and inland areas. Impact entry doors Temple Terrace residents search for and hurricane-rated doors Apollo Beach homeowners install are designed for stronger wind resistance, enhanced structural integrity, and greater peace of mind during severe weather. In Tampa, Florida, where storms are a reality, secure and storm-ready exterior doors can be a major advantage for both safety and insurance-conscious homeowners. Energy-efficient entry doors Tampa solutions help reduce air leakage and improve indoor temperature control throughout the year. Energy-efficient doors Citrus Park Tampa customers choose often include insulated cores, precision-sealed frames, low-E glass, and quality thresholds that minimize outside heat transfer. For homeowners looking to balance beauty with savings, entry door upgrades Tampa projects can improve comfort while reducing strain on cooling systems during long Florida summers. Entry door replacement Tampa services are ideal when a door is still structurally sound but needs targeted fixes to restore performance. Entry door replacement. Seminole Heights homes commonly involves addressing sticking doors, misaligned locks, damaged weather stripping, worn hinges, threshold issues, or cosmetic wear. Quick home entry door services Tampa residents rely on can improve operation and security without requiring a full replacement, though older units may still benefit from an estimate for a complete upgrade. Door frame replacement. Tampa work is often the hidden key to a long-lasting result because even the best door will underperform in a damaged or uneven frame. Moisture intrusion, rot, shifting foundations, and age can all create gaps that reduce efficiency and security. Front door contractors. St. Petersburg, Florida, and entry door contractors. Tampa professionals alike know that replacing the frame, trim, and threshold when needed creates a tighter seal, smoother operation, and more polished final appearance. Modern entry doors. Tampa designs are increasingly popular for homes that want a clean, upscale, contemporary look. Modern entry doors. Davis Island's homeowners' request often feature sleek lines, minimalist panels, frosted or narrow glass inserts, matte black hardware, and bold finishes. For customers seeking a fresh curb appeal statement, these new front doors Tampa area homes install can transform dated exteriors into sharp, current facades with strong resale appeal. Decorative glass entry doors. Tampa homeowners love bring natural light into foyers while adding elegance and visual interest to the front elevation. Decorative glass doors. Palmasea. Tampa homes feature often include privacy glass, beveled glass, rain glass, or custom inserts that blend beauty with function. When installed by experienced front entry door installers Tampa property owners trust, these doors create a refined look without sacrificing energy performance or exterior durability. Double entry doors. Tampa homes display can create a grand entrance, while single front doors Tampa properties use remain a practical and stylish solution for most layouts. Double front doors. Channelside. Tampa residences may favor work beautifully on larger homes, luxury properties, and contemporary builds where width and symmetry matter. Single front doors are often ideal for townhomes, bungalows, and standard residential entry doors. New Tampa homeowners choose for simple elegance and efficient use of space. A reliable entry door company Tampa residents hire should provide clear communication, product guidance, quality installation, and honest entry door estimates Tampa homeowners can compare. From entry door company Lutz, Florida searches to home entry doors Odessa, Florida projects, customers want responsive service, durable products, and workmanship that lasts. The best entry doors Tampa providers offer should include a range of styles and materials, along with practical recommendations based on budget, architecture, neighborhood, and weather exposure. Home entry door services. Tampa area residents need extend beyond installation to include consultation, replacement, hardware upgrades, weather sealing, and complete exterior door solutions. Exterior doors. Land O'Lakes, Florida. Entry door services. Pinellas Park, Florida, and front door contractors across West Tampa, Carrollwood, Hyde Park, New Tampa, and Tampa Heights continue to serve homeowners seeking stronger, safer, and more attractive entrances. Whether the need is steel entry doors Carrollwood, Tampa, front door installers Hyde Park, Tampa, residential entry doors New Tampa, or decorative glass entry doors in South Tampa, choosing experienced entry door contractors Tampa homeowners trust is the best way to get lasting value, security, and standout curb appeal in Tampa, Florida.